Given problem is y is equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to 3x. Dalawa ang arbitrary constant natin. Kaya dalawang beses tayo mag-differentiate. So, first is y prime equal to 2c1 e raised to 2x plus 3c2 e raised to 3x. Y double prime is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 c1 e raised to 2x plus 3 times 3 is equal to 9 c2 e raised to 2 e raised to 3x. So, ang una natin gagawin is multiply natin itong first differentiation to 3. So, ito magiging 3y prime is equal to 2c1 e raised to 2. Ito pala magiging 6 na. Multiply sa 3. 2x plus 9c2 e raised to 3x. Copy lang natin itong nasa baba. Magiging y prime is equal to 4c1 e raised to 2x plus 9c2 e raised to 3x. Next is multiply natin to by negative para makancel natin yung 9c2 e raised to 3x. Therefore, ito makakancel. And tira na lang is y double prime minus 3y prime equal to 4 minus 6 is equal to negative 2. 4 minus 6 is equal to negative 2c1 e raised to 2x. Next ay, ang gawin naman natin, multiply natin to by 3. Sige. Y, magiging siyang 3y equal to 3c1 e raised to 2x plus 3c2 e raised to 3x. Next, gagamitin natin itong second equation. So, copy lang natin. Y prime is equal to 2c1 e raised to 2x plus 3c2 e raised to 3x. Times natin to sa negative para makancel yung signs, ay yung values. So, magiging cancel na to since 3c2 e raised to 3x minus 3c2 e raised to 3x equal to 0. So, copy natin. Y prime minus 3y equal to 2 minus 3 negative c1 e raised to 2x. So, pwede natin itong gamitin. Divide natin both sides by, copy natin to, y prime minus 3y, ay y double prime minus 3y prime is equal to c1 e raised to 2x. Ito, divide na natin to. Oh. Yan, pwede na natin i-equate yung dalawa since equal na. Kaya magiging y prime minus 3y equal to y double prime minus 3y prime all over 2. Multiply both sides by 2, magiging 2y prime minus 6y equal to y double prime minus 3y prime. Combine, magiging 2y prime plus 3y prime minus 6y minus y double prime equal to 0. 2y prime plus 3y prime equal to 5y prime minus 6y minus y double prime. Since ito, para mas maayos siyang tingnan, since ito yung pinaka-highest na order, dapat maging positive siya para mas orderly tingnan. So, multiply natin both sides by negative 1. So, magiging y double prime plus 6 ay minus 5y prime plus 6y is equal to 0. So, yan na yung final answer natin.